global peers for me are Singapore, South Korea, Finland, Holland, Guangzhou province of China. Those are our global peers. Those are the people I want the Southeast to compete with.
Revise the national curriculum to prioritize critical thinking, digital literacy, entrepreneurship, and civic education.
Reed Hoffman wrote a book. It's called The Strength of Weak Ties. And he had some research done, and it suggested that 73% of the successful people that he researched became successful from the strength of weak ties. What does that mean? It means not your brother, not your sister, not your parents, not your work colleague, not people that you actually deal with on a daily basis. People you run into in places like this, in supermarkets, in traffic. Networking is not sitting, it's not being in your comfort zone, sitting with people you know. Networking is standing up from the person you know and going to sit next to someone you don't know.
This conference is actually very timely. I think we need it in a time like this in this part of the country. I missed SEEC 2024. I wasn't happy. I was actually counting the days and waiting for 2025 SEEC. So for any educator out here who for one reason or another missed this 2025 SEEC conference, I think you should do everything within your power to be sure you are here next year.
So I want to encourage you moms, please don't feel you're pregnant, you can't attend SEEC 25 or SEEC 26 because we're still looking forward to those years ahead. Register and you learn a lot.
I think this is fantastic. I haven't attended a conference of this nature, of this setting, and I want to commend the organizers, the convener. Just say keep doing it, take it around the country, Southeast, and I think it will catch. It's going to catch.